In this video, you'll learn how to effectively check for items to sell on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to identify profitable products based on market demand and competition. Begin by opening the eBay Marketplace search feature in the search bar. Enter relevant keywords related to the products you are considering. Once the results are displayed, locate the filter options typically found on the left side of the screen. Select the filter that allows you to view only sold items. This will narrow down your search to completed sales, providing a clearer picture of what is actually sold. After applying the sold listings filter, take some time to review the prices of the completed sales. Look for items that have frequent sales, as this indicates a higher demand. It is important to avoid products that have few transactions, as they may not be reliable choices for selling. Make a note of the average selling price for each item you are interested in, as this will help you assess potential profitability. Next, analyze the demand and competition for the items you've identified. Compare the number of sold listings with the active listings for those products. A high number of sales coupled with low competition can indicate a strong opportunity for profit. While reviewing the listings, study pricing patterns and trends to understand how prices fluctuate over time. Additionally, consider whether the products are seasonal or trending and avoid categories that appear oversaturated. Once you have gathered enough information, it's time to select the items you wish to sell. Choose products that demonstrate a consistent sales history, as this increases the likelihood of successful sales. Ensure that the potential profit margin remains viable after accounting for eBay fees and shipping costs. Confirm that the condition of the items meets buyer expectations, as this can greatly influence the sale. Before listing your selected items, gather your sourcing options to ensure you have a reliable inventory. Prepare your products for sale, ensuring they're in the condition you intend to sell them. After completing these preparations, you can start listing the items on eBay, utilizing the insights you've gathered throughout this process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.